if there's a real super villain in our marine aquariums, it has to be ick. जब ये सुपर विलन आता है, बहुत बार ऐसे होता है कि the entire tank will collapse. So what we are trying to do in today's video is understand the super villain और इसको पहले eliminate कैसे करें अगर ये आता है तो. Welcome back, guys. I'm sorry I've been a little slow in posting my videos क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत busy चल रहा था. We are launching our Gen 2 of all our lights. So this is Oceanic Gen 2. And मेरे tank में I had a nick attack. So I was actually in the process of treating my tank. So I thought it's a very good time because lot of मुझे comments भी आए थे. Couple of my viewers also got in touch with me regarding the same problem, ick. And especially during this change of season and other things, it is sometimes we see a lot of ick problems coming up. But what we are trying to do is understand the whole white spot ick thing, right? Now, before we get into the video, let us understand one unfortunate fact. Marine ick and freshwater ick are completely two different organisms. Lot of our marine experts, white spot आता है तो they start pushing different products to you or giving you suggestions like malachite green add कर दो, water temperature बढ़ा दो. These are treatment for freshwater ick, the multifilus variety. Marine ick is Cryptocaryon irritans. It's a completely different protozoa altogether. So all these treatments जो these experts are talking about does not and will not work for marine ick. And that is the reason जब ये I have heard stories. In fact, last week one of our clients by the name of Venkat, if I'm right, he was talking to me about how he lost his entire tank to ick. Misdiagnosis, mistreatment is a very big problem when it comes to marine ick. I'll tell you what I did on this tank, but before we get into that, I'll show you a video of how bad my tanks were affected, especially the tanks, and how do they look now. I'm sorry, the glass is not clean because we just come out of treatment and other things, so I have to do the maintenance. The tank is not maintained, but I'll show you the video of how the fishes look and how they were looking maybe around 8-10 days back. Right. So before we get into the treatment, we have to understand the life stages of the ick which is there in the tank. There are 4 life stages, and pay very close attention to this because this is where the treatment and intervention will come in. आप ये नहीं समझोगे तो आप गलत ट्रीटमेंट करोगे. जो आपके फिश के बॉडी में दिखता है, that white spot that you are seeing, that is basically a trophont. और वो क्या कर रहा है, वो आपके फिश के बॉडी से, उसके टिश्यू से न्यूट्रिएंट खा रहा है. इन शॉर्ट, एट दिस स्टेज द इक आपके फिश को जिंदा खा रहा है. दैट इज व्हाट दैट इक इज डूइंग. उसके बाद वाला स्टेज आता है टोमोंट, प्री टोमोंट रादर. प्री टोमोंट ये स्टेज होता है जहां वो फिश के बॉडी से गिरने के लिए तैयार हो जाता है, बिकॉज वो फुल्ली सैचुरेट हो चुका है. दैट इज द रीजन अगर आप फिश रब कर रहा है और कुछ नीचे गिर रहा है आप देख रहे हो, दैट इज बेसिकली अ प्रीटोमोंट. प्रीटोमोंट, प्रोटोमोंट, इट्स इंटरचेंजेबल. अल्टीमेटली वो जाके टोमोंट बनता है. टोमोंट आर बेसिकली लार्वे. और वो स्टेज में ओवर द नेक्स्ट फर्स्ट स्टेज, ट्रोफोन स्टेज में, वो 5 से 7 दिन फिश का न्यूट्रिएंट खाता है, नीचे गिर के टोमोंट बनता है. टोमोंट से ओवर द नेक्स्ट 24 आवर्स टू 48 आवर्स वो क्या करता है, वो फ्री स्विमिंग थेरॉन्स छोड़ता है. थेरॉन्स आर नथिंग बट फ्री स्विमिंग इक. मतलब बेसिकली फिश को खा के सैचुरेट होके वो लार्वे छोड़ रहा है. एंड वो लार्वे जो है थेरॉन्स को, इट हैज ओनली 24 आवर्स टू गो एंड फाइंड अ न्यू होस्ट. वो जाके वही फिश या दूसरे जो जितने भी फिश हैं उसके ऊपर जाके चिपक जाएगा और वो बनेगा वापस थेरॉन्ट, और वो साइकिल कंटिन्यू होते रहेगा. दैट इज द रीजन व्हेन यू एक्चुअली सी, आपने एक नया फिश इंट्रोड्यूस किया जिसपे इक है, वो एक हफ्ते के अंदर पूरे टैंक में फैल जाएगा एंड इवेंचुअली इट विल किल योर टैंक. सो अंडरस्टैंड दिस लाइफ स्टेज ऑफ इक फर्स्ट, then comes the treatment. But treatment के पहले there is one aspect which everyone talks about, even in internet forums and other things, about garlic. Does garlic kill, cure ick? Answer is no, not at all. Garlic is an antibacterial element. Allicin जो उसका active ingredient होता है. This is basically a protozoa. So garlic cannot kill ick, cannot cure ick. So that is a rule out. But garlic is a very important tool when it comes to managing ick. Trophon stage में, when that ick is eating nutrients out of, eating the tissue itself of the fish, अपने आप को सैचुरेट करने के लिए इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वो फिश को अच्छा न्यूट्रिएंट मिले. व्हाट गार्लिक डज इज, पहले तो फिश के गट को क्लीन रखता है, गट पैरासाइट्स नहीं आने देता. सो अगर गट पैरासाइट्स भी है साथ में तो वो पैरासाइट निकालेगा. एंड समथिंग लाइक अ गार्लिक एलिक्सर आल्सो कम्स विद विटामिन सी. गार्लिक एपेटाइट बूस्ट करता है because of the allicin, so the fish will eat more. और उसको विटामिन सी, अगर आप गार्लिक एलिक्सर समथिंग सम काइंड ऑफ अ गुड गार्लिक एक्सट्रैक्ट अगर आप यूज करते हो, तो दैट बेसिकली इंक्रीजेस द इम्यूनिटी ऑफ द फिश. व्हाट आई फीड माय फिशेस रेगुलरली इज आवर गूरमे बाइट्स, जिसमें गार्लिक इंक्लूडेड है. सो दैट इज माय रेगुलर फीड. उसके बावजूद इस बार मैंने जब ये मरीन एल्गे ऐड किया था, मे बी इट केम फ्रॉम दैट, आई डोंट नो, बट नो, we'll come to the treatment of that. So that is the importance of garlic. So garlic based foods or garlic additives आप add कीजिए, that will basically increase the nutrient that the fish is getting and also boost its immunity. That is the first feed aspect of it. Now treatment, you have to take a call कि अगर आप treatment display tank में करना चाहते हो या are you going to use a quarantine tank. Right? I'm dividing the treatment into two. I did the treatment of my tank display tank में किया था मैंने, because ये मेरा vlogging tank है. This is in my bedroom and no, this is where I make these wonderful videos for you, right? So I didn't want to use a quarantine tank and I understood where at what stage my ick is. अगर आप display tank में अगर आप cure कर रहे हो, the first thing that you need to add is some kind of a soothing natural extract which will prohibit the growth of, I'm using the word prohibit, वो कभी भी eliminate नहीं करेगा, prohibit करेगा, prohibit the growth of ick and also help the fish form a stronger slime coat. Like if you see Dr. Ras, for that example, if you look at a Dr. Ras, Dr. Ras naturally has a very strong slime coat. That is the reason it's able to eat the other parasites, dead skin, everything, and not get affected, right? So any form of natural extract, like we have Pymacare, so which is nothing but a natural extract which is anti-parasitic and also improves the slime coat. You can use something like that to start with. Second thing is, if you see the life cycle, you want to kill the free swimmers. आप फिश के बॉडी में जो ट्रोफॉन्ट है वो आप उसको मार नहीं सकते हो, आप उसको स्लो कर सकते हो, मगर आप फ्री स्विमर्स को मारोगे तो साइकिल रोक रहे हो आप. So install a small UV lamp, either in your sump, inline UV, or one of those submersible UVs. It does not matter. Use a UV lamp. What that is doing is, it is killing your therons, that is the free swimmers, ताकि cycle रोक रहे हो आप, you are blocking the cycle. So what will happen is, जो fish के body में जो ick है वो सैचुरेट होकर नीचे गिरेगा, टोमॉन्ट बनेगा, टोमॉन्ट लार्वे रिलीज करेंगे, रिलीज द फ्री स्विमर्स, बट द फ्री स्विमर्स विल नॉट सर्वाइव. That is the perfect way to attack that ick problem if you're treating it in the display the way I did. In hardcore cases, you may have to remove certain fishes because उनमें बहुत फैल चुका है. The amount of trophons on the body is पूरा गिल तक पहुंच चुका है. You have nothing else, you can't wait. In that situation, go to a hospital tank, create a hospital tank, use high quality copper or dedicated ick treatment for marine ick, not freshwater ick. So for example, we have something called ICNUC, which is for marine ick and marine ick only. And we also have copper for other diseases apart from ick. Understand that our copper solution basically is a chelated copper solution which is formulated to be less stressful for the fish. Again, less stressful. It does not mean it's not stressful. Any form of these treatments are extremely stressful for the fishes. ICNUC is dedicated for ick. It's much more, it's controlled. It's only for ick. It's again even more less stressful for the fish. But understand that in a hospital tank, आपका बैक्टीरियल कॉलोनी नहीं रहता तो अमोनिया बिल्ड होगा. Be very very careful of two aspects when you're treating in a hospital tank with any of these treatments. अमोनिया ना बढ़ने दें और फिश को वो गार्लिक इंड्यूस फूड खिलाए. फिश को नया एनवायरनमेंट है, वो स्ट्रेस में भी है, शायद नहीं खाए. द गार्लिक विल इंड्यूस मोर फॉर दैट फिश टू ईट, क्योंकि वो फिश नहीं खाएगा, उसका टिश्यू खा लेगा वो एक, and the fish will die. और गिल में है तो it will block him completely. At that stage you will have to be very very careful. So these are the various treatments which are available for ick. These are the ick treatments, but don't let it come to this stage. मेरे टैंक में मैंने मैक्रो algae ऐड किया था without dipping it because you can't dip them. But if you are getting a new fish in, use something like this Pymacare or ICNUC in very very small amounts during acclimation itself, ताकि आपके डिस्प्ले टैंक में जब आप छोड़ रहे हो the ick is not there. Acclimate for at least an hour, hour and a half, 2 hours if required. If you are getting invertebrates जहाँ पे आप copper या ICNUC नहीं use कर सकते हो, use Pymacare. Use iodine. We have reef iodide. Use a couple of drops of that in the acclimation process. Make sure that anything that is going in your display tank is free of any of these parasites. And general practice, I feed gourmet bites like normal food, right? That's my staple food for my tank. Feed something which is rich in garlic. It's going to give that fish a fighting chance in situations like this. Use fat content, and generally fat fishes look cute, right? So you might as well feed them a little more and make them look good also in the process. So these are the small tips that I had for ick. You have any questions related to fish diseases or ick in general, leave a comment. Pretty much सारे comments को respond करता हूँ मैं, and I'll see you in the next video.